In this demonstration, we're going to locate the DevTest Solutions packages and download specific ones to a Linux server. We start at the CA Support Online homepage at support.ca.com. Note that we need to sign into this site to download software. So we click Sign In, specify our login and password, and click Submit. Now that we're logged in, the Download Management and Case Management selections should appear. If these selections do not appear for you, contact CA Support for assistance. To download DevTest Solutions, we select Download Management. In the Search by Product Name box, we type Service Virtualization and select the drop-down option for CA Service Virtualization, DevTest, Lisa, VSE Application Test. We then scroll down to see, under the Product Downloads tab, the DevTest products we have access to. In our demo, we want to select CA Service Virtualization for Power Users multi-platform. So we'll filter the list and click the product name. We have the ability here to select the release. In our case, we're dealing with release 10.3. The resulting product components table lists 3 types of components. First, we have different DevTest packages for supporting operating systems, such as Linux 64-bit or Windows 64-bit. These packages allow you to install all of DevTest or just the workstation component. Second, we have a demo server package which works on all of the supported operating systems and provides the forward CARS and Lisa Bank sample applications and supporting files. And third, we have the different virtual service catalog packages, each supporting a different operating system. To do an install of DevTest Server, you would download the operating system specific DevTest package and optionally download Demo Server and Virtual Service Catalog. What we want to install on our Linux server is just the DevTest 64-bit Linux package and Demo Server. While we can populate a shopping cart by clicking Add to Cart for the particular packages we're interested in, we'll use a simpler approach and just download now directly to our system. We'll use the internet browser to do the download. So I click there. We're going to save the file to our downloads directory. Just say OK here. And once that completes, what we can do is select the other package, which is DevTest 10.3 for 64-bit Linux, and do the same thing. Download via internet browser. Say OK to that, and wait for the download to complete. So we've downloaded the 2 files. Let's take a look at them. We can see the 2 zip files listed, so let's unzip them. So we now have the DevTest Linux x64.sh and DevTest Demo Server zip files. You don't unzip the Demo Server file any further. When you're doing the install, the installer will ask you where this zip file is located and open it up automatically. Additionally, you'll notice that we have the CA license file here, devtestlic.xml. You'll need this file to do the initial server install with your enterprise dashboard. Note that the license file is changed in DevTest Solutions 10.3. If you have an earlier license file, contact CA Support or your account rep for an updated one. One of the last things we need to do while we're here is to give the installer execute privileges. We'll use the change mod command to do this. And our file is now executable. So at this point, we've downloaded the kits to the Linux server, unzipped them, and given the installer execute privilege. We're now ready to install DevTest. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.